Welcome to HomePan TriPro, where we dive deep into the latest kitchen innovations. Today, we're taking a close look at the NutriChef 17-piece black stackable pots and pans set, a collection designed to bring order and efficiency to your cooking space, especially if you're tight on room. This set promises non-stick convenience, induction compatibility, and a space-saving design that could be a game-changer for RVs, campers, or even a compact city apartment. Let's start with what immediately stands out, the stackable design. NutriChef has clearly put a lot of thought into maximizing storage. Every pot and pan in this set is engineered to nest neatly within itself, with foldable knobs on the lids adding to this compact functionality. This is, without a doubt, a major selling point for anyone struggling with cabinet space. Imagine opening your cabinets and seeing a single, organized stack instead of a jumble of pots and pans. It's particularly appealing for those who embrace the nomadic lifestyle, like RV owners or campers, where every inch counts. Beyond the space-saving aspect, the versatility of this set is impressive. It's compatible with all stovetops, including gas, electric, and crucially, induction. This means that no matter your current kitchen setup or your future cooking plans, this set is likely to fit right in. The construction features a durable and long-lasting non-stick coating, which is PFOA and PFOS-free, a reassuring detail for health-conscious cooks. This coating is designed for effortless food release, making cooking and, more importantly, cleanup a breeze. We all know how much time can be saved with a good non-stick surface. The set itself is quite comprehensive, offering a good range of sizes for everyday cooking needs. You get saucepans in 1.5 quart and 3.1 quart sizes, a 5 quart casserole, a 3.7 quart saute pan, and an 11-inch fry pan. Accompanying these are tempered glass lids with vent holes, allowing you to keep an eye on your food without losing precious heat or steam. The foldable knobs on these lids further enhance the stackability feature. But the NutriChef set doesn't stop at just pots and pans. It's a complete package that includes a foldable steamer basket, perfect for whipping up healthy steamed vegetables, seafood, or even desserts. You also get a set of stackable nylon utensils, comprising a spatula, pasta fork, spoon, and slotted spoon, all designed to be heat-resistant and to store compactly. Adding to the thoughtful inclusions are 2 wooden trivets. These are excellent for protecting your countertops and tables from hot pots and pans, preventing scratches and heat marks. The description also mentions comfortable silicone handles on the pots and pans, designed to stay cool and provide a secure grip during cooking. Now, let's talk about performance and practicality. The non-stick coating, as expected, makes cooking and cleaning very easy. Even sticky foods like eggs or delicate fish release without a struggle. The even heat distribution, aided by the durable construction, means you're less likely to encounter hot spots. The versatility across different stovetops is a significant advantage, making it a sound investment for many kitchens. However, no product is perfect. While the stackable design is a major win for storage, it does mean that the lids and pots nest tightly. For some, this might require a little finesse to separate them, especially when they're hot. The oven-safe temperature is limited to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This is generally sufficient for most stovetop cooking and finishing dishes in the oven, but it might not be suitable for recipes requiring higher oven temperatures. The nylon utensils, while practical and space-saving, might not appeal to everyone who prefers metal or silicone utensils for certain tasks or for longevity. So, who is this NutriChef set for? It's an excellent choice for individuals or couples living in smaller spaces, RV owners, campers, or anyone who values an organized kitchen. It's also a good option for a secondary cookware set or for someone setting up a first kitchen on a budget, as it provides a well-rounded collection of essentials. The emphasis on easy cleaning and healthy cooking with its PFOA/PFOS-free non-stick surface is a definite plus. The inclusion of the steamer basket and utensils makes it a very functional starter set. In conclusion, the NutriChef 17-piece black stackable pots and pans set delivers on its promise of space-saving organization and convenient cooking. Its versatility across stovetops, coupled with the effective non-stick coating and thoughtful accessories, makes it a compelling option for many. If you're looking to declutter your kitchen and simplify your cooking routine, this set is definitely worth considering. Link in the description.